tired of dealing with a cracked phone screen or a battery that just won't hold a charge? Choosing the right phone repair shop in Sydney can feel overwhelming, but it's crucial for getting your device back to perfect health. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. The consequences of choosing a bad repair shop can be costly. You could end up with further damage, a complete loss of data, or simply a repair that doesn't last. A reputable shop ensures your phone is handled professionally, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. So how do you navigate the many options and find the perfect phone repair shop right here in Sydney? Let's break down the key factors to consider. There are several crucial elements to look for when evaluating a phone repair shop. These factors will help you gauge their reliability, expertise, and commitment to customer satisfaction. First, consider their experience and expertise. Look for shops with certified technicians who have a proven track record with your specific phone model. Certifications from manufacturers are a big plus, showing they adhere to industry standards. Next, demand transparent pricing. A reputable shop will provide a detailed quote outlining all costs, including parts and labor, before any work begins. Beware of hidden fees or vague pricing structures. Always inquire about warranties and guarantees on their repair services. A trustworthy shop stands behind their work and offers reassurance in case any issues arise after the repair. Don't skip the online reviews. What others say about a shop's reputation and customer satisfaction can give you valuable insights into their service quality. Check Google, Yelp, and other local review platforms. Now let's get specific for those of you in Sydney. When choosing a local repair shop, there are a few extra things to keep in mind. Consider the shop's local reputation and proximity. A convenient location makes drop-offs and pickups easier, and a strong local reputation often indicates reliability and community trust. Always ask if they use genuine parts. Using original equipment manufacturer, OEM, parts ensures compatibility and longevity for your phone's repair. When you're at the shop, don't be afraid to ask direct questions. This shows you're an informed customer and helps you assess their professionalism. Inquire about their typical repair timeframes. A good shop will give you a realistic estimate for how long your repair will take. Most importantly, ask about their data privacy policy. Ensure they have procedures in place to protect your personal information. It's always a good idea to back up your phone before any repair and consider a factory reset if you're particularly concerned. Choosing the right phone repair shop doesn't have to be a headache. By following these tips, you're well on your way to a successful repair experience. Make an informed choice, protect your device, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your phone is in capable hands. Don't compromise on quality for a cheaper price. Sometimes, a slightly higher cost is worth it for better service and a longer-lasting repair. Get your phone fixed right the first time and get back to enjoying your device without a glitch. Thank you for watching.
If you have mobile phones issue, you can walk in. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. 6 p.m., and Saturday, 10 a.m. 2 p.m.